Welcome to the Closing Bell. I'm Michelle Caruso-Cabrera in for Kelly Evans. Here's how we're finishing the day on Wall Street. Shares of Biogen soaring today after the company announced a successful trial of its Alzheimer's drug. Chairman of Biogen is going to join us in an exclusive interview in just a few minutes. Thank you. Shares of Biogen are soaring today after the company announced positive results from a successful Alzheimer's drug trial.
Stelios Papadopoulos, excuse me.
Papadopoulos.
Papadopoulos. There we go. My sincere apologies. The chairman of Biogen joins us now in an exclusive CNBC interview. First and foremost, congratulations on these results. We had a couple of analysts on earlier discussing it and the share price jump off the back of it. Partly a surprise that the expectations were low coming into it. I guess not a surprise to you.
Well, I think it's anytime you unblind a clinical trial, it's something of a surprise. So we did not know what was going to be. We executed a trial well, but we could not anticipate the outcome. So I'm always surprised. But certainly it was wonderful news for patients, for shareholders, for the company.
What does it mean for people who suffer from Alzheimer's?
Look, we need to put things in perspective. It was an extremely encouraging trial in the sense that for the first time, it demonstrated that we have an antibody that can clear fibrils and plaque in the brain, and that's an important aspect in the disease. Equally importantly, perhaps more importantly, what this trial showed is that the clearance of plaque was associated with a slowdown of the cognitive decline. And that's the first time that in a rigorous trial has been shown that. But, very important point, it's not as if we improved the condition or we stabilized even the cognitive decline. We've slowed down the cognitive decline. So it's a first step. It's an extremely encouraging first step, but it's only a first step. And we need to do a lot more.
You have two drugs, two different trials going on at the same time in this space. Do you pursue both of them forward from here, or will you prioritize one, and if so, which?
The intention is to continue. We are partners with Eisai, and let me add, I'm here mostly on behalf of our management team and our CEO. They're all traveling, as well as our partners at Eisai who have been leading this effort. We're leading the effort with the other antibody. They're different. They each have different ways of treating the disease. For now, we intend to continue with both until we see exactly how they work and what niche and what particular product profile they're going to have, and then we'll make a decision.
What's the timeline for when a drug might actually come to market that people could use, and any sense of what it would cost eventually?
If something were to work and be approved by FDA, probably no sooner than 2 or 3 years from now. That would be a best-case scenario. As to the cost, is way too premature to speculate on that.
You think the stock price appreciation today is justified? I mean, how do you wrap your head around? I mean, I know it's good news for you, but does it make sense what you're seeing there relative to what the possibilities are with this drug?
I really care about the science and the business of the company. I let investors and the stock market worry about the stock.
Okay. Doctor, thank you very much for joining us. Stelios Papadopoulos.
Very good on second try.
Got it back much better second time. My apologies again for the first time. But thank you for joining us today, and congratulations again.
I do wish you the best of luck on this one. So many people need it. All right.